Welcome children, take out your geography book, chapter 2, Population Dynamics. The word population refers to the total number of people living in a particular area at a particular time. There is constant change in the population rate. The factors responsible for the change in population is known as population dynamics. Factors influencing the size of population. A country needs people, but its resources cannot support an unlimited number of people. It is very necessary to have all available resources that could provide at least the basic necessities such as food, water and shelter for all its people. Changes in the size of population depends mainly on the birth rate and death rate. Birth rate, it refers to the number of live births per 1,000 people in a year. Death rate, it refers to the number of deaths per 1,000 people in a year. The difference between these two rates gives the natural growth rate of a specific population, which is the main factor responsible for population growth. Migration, it refers to the movement of people into and out of a region. There are two types of migration. Immigration means inward movement. Immigration means outward movement. When immigration exceeds immigration, the population decreases. Migration can take place within and between countries. Generally, people migrate to places where they can get more food and resources. The population explosion. The sudden increase in the growth rate of population is called the population explosion. The population explosion occurs due to high increase in birth rate and decrease in death rate. Due to advanced technology, better living condition, advanced medical facilities and increased food production led to the high birth rate and decline of death rate. Distribution of population. The distribution of population is not equal throughout the world. Some areas like Ganga-Brahmaputra basin and the industrial region of northeastern USA are extremely crowded. Some areas like parts of Sahara deserts and Amazon rainforest are almost uninhabited. The distribution of population is influenced by various factors which may be physical or non-physical. The physical factors are determined by nature and cannot be completely controlled by man. The non-physical factors, on the other hand, are products of human activities and are also known as human factors. Some of the important physical and non-physical factors are landforms. People have the highest concentration of population due to flat land, which is suitable for agriculture, industries and the development of transport facilities. Plateaus are less populated than plains. Mountains have lowest concentrations of population. Climate. Regions having extremes of climate are thinly populated, so these regions do not receive much rainfall. Like deserts, regions with moderate temperature and abundant rainfall are heavily populated. Soil. Areas with fertile soil usually support large population. For example, river valleys with fertile alluvial soil are densely populated. Availability of water. As water is a basic necessity of life, human settlements always develop near sources of water. Thus, areas having an abundant supply of water are densely populated, while arid regions like deserts are thinly populated. Mineral and power resources. Areas that are rich in mineral and sources of power usually support large population. The discovery of minerals often encourages people to move to the site of the discovery and settle there. And with this, I am ending my today's class. Goodbye.